Hey everybody, this is Andre. Check out this 2013 Infiniti G37 Convertible we just picked up from IAA, and it only has 27,000 miles. The car looks absolutely amazing. No damage inside, really clean, runs perfectly. So the only damage here is this right here, some dents on the trunk lid and over here on the convertible part of the convertible top. So apparently like a tree branch fell on it or something and damaged it. So the insurance company estimated the damage to fix it at $19,441. So they're saying it's going to cost them $19,441 to actually fix this car. And the car is worth $26,000, so they totaled it, and yeah, we got it. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, this probably, I'm hoping Steve can fix this. So obviously needs some body work, some paint, and hopefully we'll be able to save this. If we're lucky, it shouldn't cost us more than, like, I would say, like $1,500 to fix this car. If we have to replace the roof or the trunk lid, then probably looking at like $3,000 tops. But still, it's nowhere near $19,000. So I just wanted to show you guys that not all salvage cars are bad. Again, something like that, you could go to a dealer and pay like 26 grand for this car, or you can get it salvaged and pay like half or even less than half of it. And this really minor couple dents, they totaled the whole freaking car. Unbelievable. Alright, so don't be afraid of salvage cars, guys. That's the lesson for today. And guess what, me and Vadim, we're gonna drive this car back home right now. It looks kind of ugly, but I'm sure he's gonna get us back to the shop with no issues. Alright, peace out, guys. Take care. Bye.